Creating an ad is easy with Snapchat's Ads Manager. To get started, visit forbusiness.snapchat.com. Click Create an Ad to set up your account. If you do not have a Snapchat username already, you can create one online. Enter your first and last name, a unique username and secure password, your email, and your birth date to get started. If you already have a Snapchat account, you just need to log in. Next, you need to create your business account. Enter in the business name, your name, a business email address, your country, and the time zone and currency that you would like to set up your account in, and press continue. From there, you'll be able to start setting up your ads. To continue setting up your account, click on the notification above. Here, you will be able to add a missing payment method. You have the option to choose between a credit card and a PayPal account. Enter your credit card details and click Add. By selecting Complete Business Profile to continue filling out your business details. In this step, you will need to provide your business address and details to continue with the setup process. Select Finish to save your changes. To continue finalizing your business account, go back up to the global navigation in the top left-hand corner and select Business Details from the drop-down. You may modify a billing address by clicking Edit for the particular billing center that is populated in the center of the screen. You can also add a phone number in the bottom right-hand corner of the page. This will allow us to reach out to you with help on account setup. You'll notice a pop-up in the right-hand corner of the screen. Make sure to click Save Your Changes. Now you're ready to get started running ads on Snapchat.